2022 Ram 1500 with less than 69,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?